Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily connect and pair your Xbox One controller to any Android phone. So the first thing you're going to do is on your Android device, I want you to open up settings. Then I want you to find connections, Bluetooth, make sure this is turned on and just set down your Android phone. I'm going to use the Z Flip's ability to fold to just leave it here. And the next thing you're going to do is get your Xbox One controller and keep in mind, depending on which controller you have, there might be a possibility you cannot pair it to your Android. The reason why is the first generation Xbox One controllers, they only allow pairing between your controller and your Xbox itself. You cannot actually pair to the Android. However, if you have a later model Xbox One or an Xbox One X, then you'll be able to do this. I recommend you just try. Worst case scenario, you are unable to pair your Xbox controller to your Android. So all we need to do is, let's just try this out. We're going to hold down the share button until the Xbox starts blinking, and once it starts blinking, we just need to check our Android phone, and we just want to see whether or not our Xbox controller shows up. So we'll just refresh the connection by going back into the Bluetooth settings. And there we go. Xbox wireless controller. We'll tap on this. And there we go. Our Xbox. Okay, we'll just tap on OK. And there we go. You see no more blinking, and our Xbox controller has just been paired. Now, it's recommending me to download the Xbox Game Pass. You do not need to download this. It's up to you. However, if you already have paid for the Xbox Game Pass, it is worth having it, because what it means is you can stream your Xbox games to your Android, which is really cool. And yes, you can actually use this to control your device. You don't need to download the Xbox Game Pass. So you can see I'm holding tapping B, and it's doing its thing. If we mess around with the analog stick, you can see I'm moving around the operating system. So we'll go back to the home page, and let's say we want to open up settings. We'll just press on A. And yeah, this isn't some magic CSI. I mean, I'm not good enough for CSI. I don't have the budget. So yeah, this is actually pairing your Xbox controller to your Android phone. Now, what I recommend you do is, if you need to in the future pair your Xbox controller back to your Xbox, surprise, surprise, all you need to do is just hold down on the share button, and there will also be a share button on your Xbox One, and then it will pair back to the Xbox. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. If you want to forget the controller, tap on settings, unpair, and there we go. See you guys later. Bye bye.